Felly yn chwarae rwan ar cae rhif 1 ond Coleg Caerdydd o Fro, Cardiff na Vale College yn erbyn St Richard Gwyn. Cae 2 pitch 2, Coleg Sir Benfro yn erbyn Coleg Gwent. Cae 10 pitch 10, Glantaf yn erbyn Greenhill. Cae 11 pitch 11, Coleg Penabont, Bridgend College yn erbyn Ysgol Gyfun y Gŵyr.
Let's march him in defence. Out, let's go, let's leave a scrum. Good, Maddie. Good, Charles.
May Coleg Penabont, Bridgend College Girls team go over to pitch 11, please. Mynd drosodd I cae 11 yn gyntaf y prosys. Coleg Penabont, tîm y merched, draw I cae 11, os gwelwch yn dda.
Let's go, it's up. Good, Mel.
Let's go.
Come on, easy. Go. Yes, Izzy! Up in defence! Come on, Roxy! Good, Izzy! Good! Up again, Izzy! Good, Carly, support! Roxy, over! Let's go up! Good, Charlie! Up and let's go! Come on, girls, let's front up, let's go! Come up! Come on, Maddie! Let's go, Charles! Keep going, keep chasing! Good, Katie! One forward. Roxy! Top and pass, let's go! Come on, man! Good, Maddie! Support! Top and go! Could be swapping now, going back on now. Could be going back on now, Maddie. Come on, Carl, dig deep! Tap and go! Nice kick! Nice chase! Good, back yourself! Call in Imogen! Down to the floor! girls, quicker! Good, Imogen! Go on, Imogen! Go on, Imogen! Go quick, Imogen!
Keep going!
Keep going, Imogen!
Imogen!
Go on, for Imogen. Yeah. Come on, girls, let's go, let's pick it up!
I think Imogen's injured.
No, she's not.
Joe, it's on there, Dad.
Yeah? Stop.
How you doing?
Yeah. Obviously. Girls, let's pick it in!
Yeah, so it's like a gap. So it's 50 foot. So 50 point gap. Then it stops. Hello, Dion. Yeah.
Fydd y gemau nesau am 20 munud I 12, so the next games are going to be from 20 to 12. Ar cae rhif 1, pitch number 1, Coleg Sir Gaer yn erbyn Ysgol Ystradell. Ar cae rhif 4, pitch 4, Llanisien yn erbyn Coleg Nedd, Nice College. Ar cae rhif 6, mae gen ni Bro Morgannwg yn erbyn Bro Dinefwr, so'r pitch 6. Bro Morgannwg yn erbyn Bro Dinefwr. Ar cae rhif 7, pitch number 6, 7, Gower College yn erbyn Maes y Gwendraeth.
Come on, girls, big effort! Imogen, you're in the middle. Push in. Up, push in. Good, Izzy! Support her! Get back! Imogen, move! Let's go! Move up! Imogen, off.
Cofiwch fynd draw I weld cwmni Perform Better, cwmni cryfder a ffitrwydd. Maen nhw yma drwy drydd a mae'n agorad I unrhyw un fynd draw a cael twrn yn defnyddio yr offers sydd gyda nhw. Do make sure you go over and see Perform Better. They're an S&C company and they have lots of different equipment in there that you can go and use. It is open for anyone.
Come on, Paul, bend down the floor! Let's support! Let's go, let's chase! Let's go! Oh, God, surely! Offside! Forward! Pop off the curb!
Girls, come on, heads up! Heads up, girls, come on! Girls, don't drop your heads now, right?
Os ydych chi'n chwarae yn gemau am 20 munud I 12, please sicrhau bod chi yn barod ar y caeau. So if you're in the 20 to 11 games, please can you make your way over to the pitches, the 20 to 12 games. Ar y cae rhif 1, pitch number 1, Coleg Sir Gaer yn erbyn Ysgol Ystrate. Cae 4, pitch number 4, Llanishen yn erbyn Coleg Nedd, so Nice College. Cae 6, pitch number 6, Bro Morgannwg yn erbyn Bro Dineddwr. Cae 7, pitch number 7, Coleg Gower, Gower College yn erbyn Maes y Gwendraeth.
Come on, Roxas, move! Charlie, let's move! Charlie, let's move! Nice, Maddie! Let's chase, Tom! See.
Dance play.
What's happening? Bash.
Come on, girls, let's get back up there. Come on, big effort. Come on, big deep there. Come on, Rox.
Take your time, right? Take your time. Last play, let's go. If we get it, kick it out.
Good, Maddie. Go, Charlie. Hey, go, Charlie.
Hands on that one.
Good, Charlie. Good play, girls. Nice, Charlie.